Welcome to the strategic world of production planning and control, where efficiency meets innovation to derive manufacturing excellence. Namaskar, I am Utkarsh, a student of BSc-IT 4th Sem Batch 1, present over here to give the presentation on the topic production planning and control. In this PPT, we will cover about introduction, meaning, objective, need, function as well as conclusion. Introduction. After the World War II, the European countries adopt scientific management theory to enhance their manufacturing excellence. For this, they adopt many concepts like production planning, process planning, capacity planning, production planning and control. In all these, production planning and control is one of them. What is production planning and control? What do you mean by production planning and control? Production planning and control refers to the direction and coordination of the resources of the organization towards attaining the prefixed goal and objective of the organization. As well as we can say that production planning and control is a crucial aspect for manufacturing and operation management and to ensure that the production process are efficient, cost effective as well as meet the demand of the customer of the organization. Objective of production planning and control. First objective of production planning and control is planned requirement of resources. In this process, the organization plan all the resources which have required in the future. After that, the planned requirement of the resources lead to the continuous flow of production, and continuous flow of production increase the productivity of the organization and utilize the optimum inventory, and optimum inventory help to establish the production and equipment stabilization. They give the customer satisfaction, and after that we will evaluate our performance on the basis of our planning or the standards. Needs of production planning and control. The most important need of production planning and control is the resource of optimization. It means whatever resources we have, we optimize, we use all the resources effectively without any wastage and shortage of time. After that, demand fulfillment. Main aim to organization is to serve their customer and fulfill their demand. So, production planning and control helps to demand fulfillment as well as inventory management in the organization. Inventory management is also crucial for the organization. After that, quality control. If we plan and decide the standards, then they help to control our quality of products with the completion of the standards and the actual achieved. After that, cost reduction. If we will do the planning, pre-planning, then they help to reduce the cost as well as we utilize our capacity in maximum way, and these are helps to mitigate the risk of the management as well as the organization. Functions of production planning and control. There are mainly four functions of production planning and control: planning phase, execution and control phase, post-production and evaluation phase, and continuous improvement. What is planning phase? In this planning phase, we first pre-plan the demand forecasting as well as forecasting each and everything which need in the future. After that, with the help of forecasting data, we plan our demand and plan according to the demand. We plan capacity, factor of production and production planning as well as process planning. Execution and control. Whatever we plan in the planning phase, we execute all this plan in the ground or the manufacturing floor, in which implement the production plan, assign tasks, and monitor the progress. Quality control ensure that the production meet the specific quality standards. Control this can be achieved with the help of systematic investigation, testing of quality during the production and as well as after the production. Post-planning phase and an evaluation phase. In post-planning phase, we monitor and control production costs to ensure the quality of the product, as well as we also control our cost. After that, we analyze our performance with the help of the standards, in which we analyze our current performance and compare with the standard which the organization shape. Continuous improvement. Each and every process leads continuous improvement, because improvement leads the innovation and innovation leads the efficiency. So in this process, in this step, we enhance our production process and practices over the time and apply methods like lean manufacturing, TQM, just in time to increase the improvement. Conclusion. In last, I want to say that each phases of production planning and control involves a specific function, action, and control mechanism to ensure that effective management of the production process. Thank you.